For store information, press 1.
Mm-hmm.
For general product information and assembly, press 2. To check delivery status, press 3. To place an order for your home, press 4. For general customer service, press 5.
5 it is.
We are experiencing higher than normal contact volumes and are unable to take your call at this time.
Oh!
We apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for calling Ikea.
I just want to know if you have a skateboard! Rowan, time-lapse this clip. Y'all know we had to do it. We heard Ikea had skateboards. We're on a mission to get those dang skateboards. I don't know where the skateboard would be. Let's just go up, it'll be a good time. So yeah, basically, you guys let us know that Ikea is now carrying full, complete skateboards. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around Ikea until we find said skateboard. We're gonna buy a skateboard, then we're gonna ask an employee how to use a skateboard, because I sure don't. You guys know that for sure. Let's hope we don't get kicked out in the process, but we're gonna try to find a skateboard somewhere. Is this a skateboard? Is this a skateboard? Is that a skateboard? I remember this location very, very vividly because Rowan, our editor, sat in one of these chairs and stood up and the entire table stood up with him, and it was very funny. Would the skateboards be in the kids section though? I don't think so. Oh, it's actually really soft. Okay, we need to find an employee. This is like Skate Everything Wars without the everything and the wars, and we're actually looking for a regular skateboard this time. I don't see skateboards anywhere. No one saw that. Carry on. I don't really need this, but I kind of just want to carry it around for fun. Like goes around with the Ikea aesthetic when you're carrying around a shoulder bag like this. All the ladies love me. How's it going? Dude, having a bathroom this aesthetically pleasing would make peeing the best thing ever. Have yet to find a skateboard. They do have skateboards. We're just looking for them still. Also, can I add that this just feels wrong without having Fetty here with me? I mean, I miss that guy. Really buying hangers right now? Yeah. God dang it. Always looking for new decorations for the office. Dude, these would actually look really sick. Dude, seriously, where are the skateboards at? I heard that you guys have skateboards.
Probably check with the bedroom section.
We asked for a skateboard and he sends us to the bedroom section. We went in a giant circle. Or we looked online and they said you have skateboards in stock somewhere, and we're just trying to find out where you find the skateboard.
Okay, so yeah, it's aisle 1301.
Cool, thank you.
Yep.
Have a good one. That is a man of integrity. Aisle 13, section 1. If there's not a skateboard here, I'm legitimately gonna cry. What? Oh, one of the, oh! We walked right past them. What? There's 80 of them. We found them, guys. It's because I was too busy looking at the chair. We have found the skateboards. First impressions, this is actually kind of legit. I think we're onto something, guys. We're buying 80 of these right now. We have these skateboards. I wanted to know how to use them. Oh. Like, I need the most in-depth tutorial you can possibly give me right now. Please.
I don't skateboard though.
You don't skateboard?
No.
Dang it, we gotta change that. Do you skateboard?
Used to.
You used to? So you can help me with this thing. Everything, like how to ride, everything on a skateboard. Dang.
I only bike, yeah.
You only bike? All right, well, wish me luck. I'm gonna go out and try this thing tomorrow and hopefully I don't die. You guys have a good day. I feel like Santa Claus right now. I heard that Ikea meatballs are like the best thing ever. Truth. All right, well that was a very successful Ikea trip. I think we were in and out in less than like 25 minutes, which is pretty incredible. We have the Ikea skateboard that everyone was requesting. Now we're gonna go to Fremont and skate it there with Fetty, Aaron, and all those other guys. So get excited, we'll see you tomorrow. Time to get Ikea with it.
All right, guys, we are very excited for this. It has finally arrived. I've only seen you guys leave 387.45 comments about this. It's the Spanced board. Design stamp 74 times 21 times 15 centimeters. And where do you buy this, the skateboard?
Skateboard land.
No?
Ikea.
IKEA. So basically, we're gonna open this box and spend the next 9 hours not being able to put it together.
No, it's
That's
fully
not
assembled.
how you open it. Then
you
it's not
open
from
it.
IKEA.
Look at it, they actually put the plastic on there right. Wow, maybe it teaches you how to kickflip.
Does, I told you, look.
It just teaches you how to put it together in every language. It's the same page, just in all different languages.
Okay, well, I'm pretty impressed so far by the instructions to put this thing together. See, and then there's that. Oh, coordinates. Yeah, there's something about this, hold on. Wait, how much was this?
This was $98.
$98, I just saw it selling on eBay for $199. We should sell this on eBay. Details are everything. On this skateboard, there is a barcode with the coordinates of the first IKEA store in Sweden.
That's what I was gonna say, Sweden.
And the first stamp store in the USA. Oh, we can get somebody from TaskRabbit to assemble it for us.
Cool beans, let's skate.
When we say support your local skate shop,
We actually mean IKEA.
no, we
What?
mean your actual local skate shop.
I already landed a kickflip.
Dang it, do it again.
You didn't land anything.
Oh! The funny thing is that the bearings are not bad.
Right here.
It?
First try. One try, first try, every try. What?
I can kickflip it.
I'm sure you can kickflip it. I don't think you're gonna land it first try though.
You guys doubt me.
It looks like you're doing an ollie late flip.
I already landed it, okay?
Have you guys seen the comments in the videos at Fremont about the kids? Tell us about the comments about the kids. What do they say?
They say they don't like the kids in Braille.
We love the kids in the Braille videos. We love them. What is it for if it's not for the kids? They're like scared to be in the video because they're worried about your guys' comments. Be nice in those comments. Leave it a comment below about how nice the kids are, guys. Come on.
I'm so mad because I already landed it. When in doubt, tray flip.
Oh!
Wow.
You gotta like not pop the kickflip. Why? You can only land it once.
Oh, there it is.
I'll take it.
So does that mean I have to try again?
Yeah. Wow!
What do we do now? No slide test? How is this gonna work?
I don't know, I think the wheels might get stuck to the ledge.
I do too.
It'll be fun though.
For you.
Oh!
This might be a first. He can't nose slide it.
The nose is really small.
I don't think we've ever nose slid a cruiser right here. Have we ever?
I don't know.
That was a tail slide. Count it.
Alright, well I know you only
Dang
did one kickflip on it, but what are your initial impressions?
It's good. Like out of all the cruisers I've ever skated, it's the most IKEA-like one.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, it only took me 5 hours to assemble it, so.
Betty, what do you think of it?
It's a cruiser.
He says so much with so few words. It's like. Is that really what he was trying?
We're trying to compare it here to like Walmart.
Well, I've never
Like
skated
that.
a cruiser from Walmart. I've only skated real classic skateboarding skateboards.
So I guess this is the start of a series where we go to every different store and skate their cruisers.
If you guys want to see that video series, The Cruisers of the World, maybe we could call it We Cruise the World for Cruisers.
The Prius of skateboards.
Ooh. Oh, you know what? Oh! No, it's...
I try to kick it out.
Yeah, Betty! Whoa!
It's a cruiser! You're supposed to cruise on it!
What?
No. Fetty, bad. Oh! Ain't no sunshine.
It is just so oddly quiet. Nigel, you want to do some tricks? Thank you. Whoa!
Yeah, front peeps.
Oh!
No. Would you like a panda cookie? There you go.
That is exactly what happened the last time I tried to put something together from Ikea. Name one thing they don't have.
One thing they don't have.
They have a whole section of trash.
Hey!
What's your favorite kind of candy?
What?
Mike and Ikea's.
I think you and Ikea go really well together because of all the manuals.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
Nope.
First Ikea. Wow, very outside of the box.
Oh, man, you're really a tool. Because you need tools.
I can't tell if he's making fun of me or not. What? Fetty, no. No.
It's like we're all just one nice, cute little team of Ikea meatballs.
No.
These videos are very well put together.
Your problem is
No assembly required.
you gotta test
Yeah,
Can you guys give us some Ikea puns? We're really running out here.
I mean, we're really just trying to build on the jokes, but there's not much to go off.
A joke about Ikea.
There's nothing to joke about Ikea because they literally sell everything.
He nailed it!
Yeah!
Hey, that would have been pretty Swedish.
Whoa!
The world's first credit card on an Ikea board. You know, there's a first for everything. See if we got any reviews on this board. Worst reviewed board on Ikea, there's no reviews. Should we leave a review?
What? Absolutely.
Hardest board I've skated in a while.
Really?
Yeah.
We make everything. We make it. He. Hold on. Hold on.
You don't need to even know the lyrics.
Oh,
Yeah, Fatty. Oh. Got it, Fatty.
Double down!
Oops.
It's got a big ol'... What?
what the fork? Count it!
Thank you. We really appreciate every single like, comment, etc., especially the hashtag notification squad. We love you guys. Same thing going in this video. Leave it in the comments below. We will pick one of you at random and send you a Braille Army prize package. Ikea board. I think that it turned out pretty good, you know? It's a cruiser. It has the coordinates on it. It held up pretty well. We did a bunch of tricks on it. Generic trucks, but everything is sturdy and it works quite well. And I was joking about the assembly. It comes assembled. Comes in a box. So yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Not one single complaint about the bearings, I think says a lot.
Yeah, the bearings are good. And I want to point out this is not a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form. We saw a lot of comments saying, Ikea came out with a skateboard, you guys have to skate it. And we were like, yeah, we absolutely have to skate it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a blast watching it. As much fun as we had making it, which was a ton of fun. So definitely click the other videos in this playlist and watch them. You guys will love it. I'll see you in the next video. Boom!